Since February 28th, a devastating joint attack by the United States and Israel has been ongoing in Iran. The attacks have destroyed important cities and both military and civilian infrastructures in Iran. The two countries have struck more than 12,300 targets. Even the Supreme Leader Khamenei, along with many key military leaders, has reportedly been killed. Even after that, it has not been possible to completely destroy the powerful Iran. The country still retains about half of its rocket launchers and thousands of drones in stock. The news was reported by CNN. U.S. President Donald Trump had claimed that Iran's capabilities had significantly decreased. However, contrasting information has now emerged. According to intelligence sources, around 50% of Iran's drone capability still remains intact, which means their stockpile still contains thousands of drones. Iran has hidden its missiles and rocket launchers inside massive underground tunnels. As a result, even U.S. drones or satellites find it difficult to accurately locate their positions. A large portion of Iran's coastal defense cruise missile systems is still intact, although the country's navy has been damaged. However, hundreds of small boats and drone boats of the IRGC still pose a major threat in maritime zones. Although the White House has claimed that Iran's counterattacks have decreased by about 90% and its navy is nearly destroyed. However, according to intelligence officials, there is still a long way to go to fully disarm Iran.